Engineering marvels rise against the force of nature in China. Each futuristic mega-project is a challenge that pushes the impossible limits. These projects appear ahead of their time. Engineering thrives against all forces of nature. Let's dive into the world of China engineering and see the types of projects that are mesmerizing the world around. If you like this episode, please share it widely, like it, and subscribe so that we may bring you more stories of the same caliber. Atelier ladders. The ingenious engineering of China facilitated the inhabitants of the remote Atelier mountainous village in Sichuan province with these astonishing vertical steel staircases. Initially, the villagers used dangerous rope and wooden ladders to climb and descend the cliffs. The Atelier ladders came in handy. What a safe and perfect replacement. With some stair sections standing 100% vertically, while some slanting at a 70 degrees angle, the journey is extremely tiresome. In the past, either the climb or descend took more than 3 hours. But now, with the Atelier ladders, it only takes between 30 to 40 minutes, either way. Can our government think of its remote villagers at this magnitude? Whatever your answer could be, it is entirely your opinion. Chongqing. This is one of China's mega cities, built in a terrain crossed by the deep Yangtze and the Xiaolangdi rivers. Elevated bridges, highways, and tunnels are best suited for the furrowed terrain. This makes the city look impossible, as if it's a tale in a sci-fi movie. The unique design of the Celise metro system, the Chongqing Railway, has its larger share of fame. The railway line runs through residential buildings, an adroit architectural solution for the city's limited space. High production of humanoid and industrial robots has seen Chongqing become a major robotics hub. The future envisions mass production. We'll see the development of robots for welcoming guests, care providing, and even factory work. No sooner than later will these robots become romantic in companionship, engage in fluent conversations, recognize emotions, and even be empathically responsive. Shenzhen-Zhongshan Link. Regarded as the most prodigious and challenging cross-sea project in the world, the link connects the two major cities in China, Shenzhen and Zhongshan. With a combination of bridges, artificial islands, and tunnels, the link boasts of a vast 49 kilometers of length. High-speed vehicles pass through an underwater gradual descent tunnel at one of the artificial islands, fully equipped with traffic control equipment and ventilation operating systems. Wuhan suspended monorail. Because the rail runs beneath an elevated track, it's referred to as the Sky Tracker. This is the world's first of an underrunning rail, and it's 100% electric powered, with the sole initial idea to transport passengers living in congested urban areas. Expected to serve as a model for other congested cities in China, it will offer perfect alternatives to areas where underground rails is impossible to build. Drone shows. This is another ingenious engineering coupled with robotics and programming. An aerial dance of thousands of illuminable formation flying drones. Replacing traditional fireworks, cities like Wuhan, Shanghai, and Shenzhen have their skies lit up every night. To achieve such formidable engineering, it requires high technology like central software coordination, autonomous flight algorithms, and high-precision GPS. Capable of telling full stories, this unmatched choreography is managed by a single centralized computer, which transforms 3D designs into drone flight paths. Xiaolangdi Dam. This dam provides multiple purposes: power generation, sediments control, reservoir management, and navigation control. Built to control the notorious Yellow River for its humongous amount of silt it carries and its unmanageable floods, the dam spatters downstream high-pressured silt and water, leaving the riverbed under perfect control. Xiaolangdi Dam is such a major tourist attraction site for its spectacle sediment discharge and striking sight that thousands adore to watch for hours. If If you like this episode, please don't forget to share it widely, like it, and subscribe, so that we may bring you more stories of the same caliber. China engineering marvels.